Right, let's talk about the White House, the nerve center of American power, now with Wi-Fi courtesy of Elon Musk's Starlink. In a move that defies common sense, the Trump administration handed over internet access to the same guy who named a car Cybertruck. The official story? Starlink was needed to fix dead zones. But instead of government IT, the job went to the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, staffed by Musk's own people. Yes, DOGE, an agency named after a meme, now running White House tech. This wasn't a careful decision. It was rushed through in March 2025, with security officials left in the dark. One day, a Starlink dish just appeared on the roof. Now, a private satellite network beams internet straight into the heart of US government. The architects call it modernization. Cybersecurity experts call it a five-alarm fire. This isn't just about faster Wi-Fi. It's about who controls the flow of information. And right now, that's whoever Elon Musk wants. The line between public power and private tech mogul is vanishing. And the stakes? They're nothing less than national security. You'd expect White House internet to be locked down tighter than Fort Knox. Instead, Musk's DOGE team installed a network labeled Starlink Guest. That's right, Guest, like the Wi-Fi at your cousin's house. Security? Practically non-existent. No multi-factor authentication, no encrypted login. This Guest network created a digital backdoor, bypassing all established government protocols. Cybersecurity experts were horrified. Sensitive government communications were suddenly vulnerable to hackers and foreign spies. The Secret Service admitted they knew about the upgrade, but not the risks. A whistleblower soon filed a complaint. Massive unexplained data transfers were leaving the White House via Starlink, with Musk's team refusing oversight. Even worse, suspicious sign-in attempts from Russia were detected right after DOGE took over. This wasn't just a technical glitch, it was a gaping security hole. A private entity now controlled a secret data pipeline with adversaries already knocking. The White House's digital front door was wide open, and the consequences could be catastrophic. Embedding Starlink in the White House wasn't enough for Musk. He's now bidding to control the FAA's communications network, the system that keeps planes from colliding. While the Starlink drama played out, Musk quietly positioned his company to become the telecom provider for US airspace. Conveniently, President Trump reshuffled FAA leadership, clearing the path for Musk's bid. If successful, Musk would have a god's eye view of every flight in America, commercial, private, even military. This isn't just business, it's a national security issue. What happens if government priorities clash with Musk's interests? Public oversight vanishes. The line between public service and private profit is being erased. Efficiency is the excuse, but what's really being dismantled is accountability. The result? A shadow government run by Silicon Valley, where your safety depends on a billionaire's mood. The privatization of critical infrastructure is accelerating, and the public is losing control. The Trump-Musk relationship is a spectacle: public feuds, private deals, and sudden reconciliations. In June 2025, Musk slammed Trump's tax bill, then deleted old anti-Trump posts. Trump responded theatrically, vowing no reconciliation. 2 days later, Trump reversed course, saying he'd welcome Musk's call. Musk replied with a heart emoji. Despite the drama, Trump kept Starlink at the White House, calling it a good service. The Starlink Guest network remains a symbol of Musk's influence. Even Trump's red Tesla, bought from Musk, still sits at the White House. Their alliance isn't about ideology. It's transactional, unstable, and deeply personal. Trump needs Musk's tech and speed. Musk needs Trump's power and contracts. It's a partnership of convenience, not conviction. The country? Just along for the ride. And the rules of government are being rewritten in real time. The real story isn't a shoddy guest Wi-Fi. It's the creeping privatization of the state. When a billionaire can install his own internet in the White House and bid for the FAA, democracy is in trouble. This isn't innovation. It's the transfer of public power to private hands with zero accountability. Public systems, communications, air traffic are the bedrock of democracy. They're meant to serve the people, not a CEO's agenda. Handing control to a private company means your privacy, security, and access depend on profit, not public good. The potential for surveillance and abuse is enormous. A government that outsources its core functions becomes a government of the corporation, by the CEO, for the shareholder. The Starlink connection is a warning sign, a blinking red light for democracy. If we don't pay attention, will wake up as mere users on someone else's network. The stakes are nothing less than who controls the future of the country. And right now, that answer is dangerously unclear. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.